Okay, so we are talking about Solapuri Zadar, and and this I find more relevant for all of those kind of products. The product is fantastic, but it needs to have a new orientation towards the way the product is being used right now, and there needs to be more communication with the users. Now, and specifically for Solapuri product, because it's technically a very good product. It's 100% cotton. It's made in jacquard weave, which is a fantastic bridge between textile engineering and manual craft. It has very good airflow. So I'm not saying the product should be used because it has been traditionally used, but it has been traditionally used over decades because it has been a very good product all along. So not because that's traditional to use and that's necessary to preserve, but it's a good product. And it might hold true for any of those products that have been going on for decades. I'll later give you some examples. So for example, there is this Thai beauty product called Shrichen, which made enormously successful transition, crossing the chasm between all traditional users and the new users, and enormously profitable, after bridging that. Or you can look at Birkenstock, we can talk about it. It was the old stiff German efficiency, and it's now the fashion across the markets. So I'll build on this, and I'll share the journey with you, and I'm going to use all of the new AI tools that can make this very, very easy. So what do I mean by AI tools? So for making the discovery or the concept, you can use ChatGPT or Gemini or multiple other things. You can use Canva, you can use Notion. For content making, you can use Shopify and Gem and ONDC for e-commerce platform, and so on and so forth. So we'll explore that as we go along. If you are willing to help, let me put it, if you want to join and if you think you can add value, then please contact me and we'll share the journey. Thank you.